Blood vessels. In human being, there are three different types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood vessel is a second component of closed circulatory system. Out of that, first one, artery. Artery are deeply situated inside the body and they carries blood away from the heart. All arteries are carrying oxygenated blood towards the body part except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood towards the lungs for the process of oxygenation. Generally, the arteries are deeply situated inside the body, but at some region, arteries are come towards the surface, like radial artery, brachial artery, femoral artery, which came towards the superficial region of the body. Arteries are divided to form arterioles, and arterioles are divided to form capillaries. Here, when we take transverse section of artery, we have a three different layer as tunica externa, also called as a tunica adventitia, second tunica media, and innermost it is a tunica interna. Here we can observe the histological structure of blood vessel. In a histological structure of blood vessel, one can observe the three different layers are there as tunica externa, tunica media, and tunica interna. Out of that, first one, tunica externa. Tunica externa is an outermost and thick as well as tough layer of the artery which is formed by collagen fibers. Second one, tunica media. Tunica media is made up of smooth muscle and is formed with the help of elastic fiber. This tunica media is thick muscular layer. As due to the presence of elastic nature of the elastic fibers present in tunica media, it shows or arterial wall shows pulsatile as well as elastic nature. Third one, tunica interna. Tunica interna is innermost layer of the artery which is formed by single, flat, compact endothelial cells. This tunica interna which surrounds the lumen of artery. Here the tunica interna is present at innermost region of the artery. The angular margin around the lumen shows tessellation in that artery. Arterial lumen does not shows presence of valves. So valves are absent inside the lumen of arteries. As well as the blood flow through the artery is rapidly and is under high pressure. Then veins. Vein is a second type of the blood vessel. The veins are thin-walled compared to artery. Mostly the veins are present superficially. All the veins carries the blood towards the heart. From the different parts of the body, veins carries the blood towards the heart. The capillaries are unite to form the veins. The capillaries are present around the different organs of the body. These capillaries are get unite to form venules and venules leads to the formation of veins. You can observe, as we have discussed about the artery, here all the veins carries deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs towards the heart. If you observe the portal veins, Now, what is meant by portal vein? You can take an example of a hepatic portal vein. This portal vein, it is different from the other normal veins of the body. In what? In that it starts as a capillaries from one organ and capillarizes into some intermediate organ called as portal veins. These portal veins, like liver, before taking the blood towards the heart, they further forms a network inside the same organ, so called as portal veins. If you observe the histological structure of veins, histologically veins also shows three different layers like that of the arteries as a tunica externa, tunica media and tunica interna. However, the difference is what? In the relation of tunica media. Compared to the artery, tunica media of vein, it is thinner. That means it contains a less amount of elastic fibers. So obviously the veins are less elastic compared to the arteries. Here at the inside the lumen of veins, the valves are present after a particular distance. So at the intervals inside the veins, valves are present to avoid the backflow of blood. One more thing, the blood flow through the vein is under low pressure compared to the blood flow through the arteries. And the rate of conduction, it is also slower compared to the arteries. Third type of the blood vessel, it is a capillary. Capillaries are thin-walled, minute blood vessels present around the different organs as well as cells of the body. The capillaries are thin-walled. They having a single layer of the flat squamous epithelial cells, and this single layer of the flat squamous epithelial cell present on the basement membrane. The capillaries are mainly involved in the exchange of material with the body tissue or body cells. From the capillary, blood contains different metabolites are get exchanged with the body cells or body tissue. The wall of capillary which bears a very minute openings, and those pores or fenestrae are helpful to squeeze out the WBCs. To escape the WBCs from those capillaries is called as a diaphoresis, which we have discussed previously at the time of WBC and their nature. Due to the amoeboid movement, the WBC can squeeze out to the or through the minute blood capillaries is called as a diaphoresis. Through that capillaries, blood flow under high pressure. Due to that thing only, the exchange of material it is takes place in between the tissue cells, tissue fluid and blood present inside the capillaries. With the help of diagram, here we can observe the structure of arteries, veins and capillaries. First one, artery. Here you can observe the difference clearly. The wall of artery is thick, the wall of artery is thin. It's an histological structure. Lumen of artery is smaller, lumen of vein it is larger. Tunica media of artery is thick, tunica media of vein is thin. In a lumen of artery, valves are absent. In a lumen of vein, valves are present. As wall of artery is thick and elastic, it shows pulsatile nature. The wall of vein, it is thin. Next, if you observe the outermost layer, tunica externa, It is tough, it is thick outermost, formed by collagen fiber. Middle one, tunica media, muscular and formed by elastic fibers. And innermost, tunica interna. Tunica interna, it is formed with the help of single layer of flat epithelial cells. Here you can observe this endothelial layer of the blood vessel is get continued till the internal lining of the heart, which we have discussed at the time of a heart wall. Internally, the heart wall, it shows endothelial cover or lining. This same lining is present at the inner lining of a blood vessels. The next one, it is a capillary. Here you can observe the capillary is a very thin walled structure. It is an lumen of capillary, and it shows only the single layer of tunica interna. Another thing you can observe, these arteries are get divided to form arterioles. Arterioles are divided to form capillaries. Capillaries are unite to form venules, and venules are unite to form veins. So it's all about the three different types of blood vessels as artery, veins and capillaries.